we're going to show you how to replace the cot top on your Teton Sports camp cot. This is the same for the Adventure, Universal, and Outfitter XXL cots. You're going to need an 8mm wrench, crescent wrench, pair of pliers are going to work here great, and a Phillips head drill bit on a screwdriver or a screwdriver. You're going to remove these 4 bolts in the middle, pull the cot apart, and then we will replace the cot top. All right, after you get the lock nuts off the bottom of the screw, work the bolts out. You might have to lift up or drop the side rail to make them work, which is easier if you remove the end rails. Now they can independently move. After you've done that, close up the cot just a little bit. And you'll notice how everything just disassembled. You pull the middle leg out. At that point in time, you can pull off a full assembly with side rails and legs. Set that to the side. Do the same thing on the other end. Your cot top now is loose. You slide a new one on and basically just work in reverse by putting the side rails back through the side of the cot top fabric. Once you get them back in the middle, flip the cot over, and this is going to make aligning the center a little bit easier. Get your 2 middle points as aligned as you can. And on one end, or one side, take the bolts and thread them through both the middle leg and the frame. And what you want to make sure is that the bolt head, where the Phillips head part, is facing down from you at this point in time. Because the lock nut would go toward you at this point in time. You don't want to fully put it on yet, but get enough in there. Put the lock nut on just enough that the bolt doesn't come out. Once you have them semi-seated in place with the lock nuts done up a little bit, open up the camp cot again. Make sure you're aligned on everything. And basically just work in reverse and tighten everything up. Inspect your work by breaking the cot down. And making sure you get free range of movement inside the center area of the cot. That's a job well done right there.